Hello everybody, welcome to my second video repair phone. This is my phone Asus zenfone 5, and let's go. First we unbox. We take out the case and take out the memory and SIM. And it's too long to take the little out, and I already take out. You see, already take out, and now. This is my second unbox phone, and my first is change the battery and open it up. I forget a small one. Open it out, and you see all the part, and you want to change because I buy this. It's already held the bottom, the speaker, and all part all held. I only repair this to that. You see, the first you need to open this. You see, it's 90 degree, and the two one, and the battery, and on the back, and small thing to open it out. It up now, and the SIM, the battery, all out. And you need to a little careful open this all out. And the top one you need to use the small. Oh, this another. You need to open the big and the big, and the small one is the black. And open it up. Be careful. And you need your finger to open it. You see, it open now. Be careful this, and it's all out. You see, and put into the new screen. First, you need to put the bass speaker first. It's very installed because not like Samsung. And put in this. Yeah, it's okay. And the top one. Put the first camera first, and this. Sorry, it's too hard to put it in. It's okay now. And do that the old phone. Yes, look like this. And put in the battery first. You need to be careful because it's hard to put in. First, put in the ground first. It in now, and you close it. And next, you need to put in the SIM first and the battery second. the battery in and the SIM. And the third, you need to, it's not removed. Oh, it's out, it's already removed. And you need, it's not removed. You only do like me and put it in because it not stick. Sorry for the camera because this is phone. I cannot see the video on the phone, so I only do the real. My eye is on the phone, not on the repair phone, not the video phone. It in, and be careful of this because this is so small. And put the bag in. And the last thing is this. You need to be careful, be careful, be careful. It's already done. And put it back. But the first, we need to reboot and lock the screen. Oh, this is new screen. This is the old screen. It's too long to refresh, but I will skip this part and the next part is put this small in, and this is the last part. This phone is, oh sorry, this phone is so very easy, put in and pull up, and it all okay. We already you only put the SIM in and the memory on the top. And it's already, and you see, oh sorry, it already, you see. And it's all work. You only do like me. It's all work. You see, it's all work. Okay, thank you for my second repair video this phone. Thank you for watching. And my third repair phone is SIM tray, because my SIM tray I want to fix it. It broken now. Thank you for watching.